Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'll be showing you how to make your YouTube playlist. So for example, you want to make a YouTube playlist for your music. So let's go ahead and type in music. And from here, once you've found the video that you want to place in your video, what you want to do is click on these three circles right here and then save to playlist. And then from here, you want to save it to create a new playlist and enter whatever name you want. So let's say for me, I want to name it music, and let's click on create. Now, where can you find that playlist is that you just created? You want to go to this side over here on the left side. You want to click on music, and from here you can see the YouTube playlist that you just created. And what can you do with this playlist? Of course, you can play the playlist. Let's say we want to play the playlist right now. There you go. Also, what you can do is share it to your friends or make them collaborate by click on collaborate, and collaborators can add videos to this playlist. And then once you click done, people can add videos to this playlist. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more daily content like this, and I'll see you in the next video.